under US GAAP, non-monetary exchanges that lack commercial substance could possibly result in which of the following not being recognized immediately. So now what we're saying is you have an exchange, and that exchange lack commercial substance. Could possibly result in which of the following not being recognized immediately. Well, guess what? I already told you losses are always recognized. Two questions ago, the first question we said losses are always recognized. So simply put, losses are always recognized. So 1 is not an answer. So every place when there is 1, we can take it out. All what we have to know now is 2 would not be recognized, or would it be recognized? Well, good. Let's look. It lacks commercial substance. When the transaction lacks commercial substance, and if you have a gain, you not recognize. You don't recognize the gain. Therefore, B is the answer. Hold on a second. Didn't you just said here that I have 8,000 gain and I recognize it? Yes, the reason I recognize the gain, let me just write. Why did I recognize the gain here? Because, let me highlight in yellow, because the question clearly state, I had commercial substance. Here the question says, you lack commercial substance. So for the gain, if it lacks commercial substance, so for the gain, sometimes it's recognizable, sometimes it's deferred. When is it deferred? When it lacks commercial substance, which is in this situation. Now again, there's more rules because sometimes you might involve cash in the transaction. So this is just a general idea how to answer these questions. But if you really want more, go to farhatlectures.com. I know I keep saying this because that's the only way I can help you. There's no way I can help you other than that.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.